plant-based Caribbean spiced bun, guys. You're gonna absolutely love this one. Forget queuing up at that Caribbean bakery. Make it at home yourself. Start off with some flour, baking powder, some salt, mixed spice, also some nutmeg, and mix together and set aside. Butter into a pan, melt it down. Dragon stout, some sugar, some vanilla essence, mix together. Combine some flaxseed and water. This is your egg replacement. Put it into your mixture once it's cooled down. Pour in the wet mixture into the dry. Add your mixed fruit, which is mixed fruit and glazed cherry soaked in some red label wine. The full ingredients on our website or in our natural flavour book. Add your browning, guava jam, mix that together until it's sloppy. Butter up your bread tin. Pour in the mixture into the bread tin. Give it a lovely jiggle. Put it into a preheated oven for an hour. This is how it should look. Leave it to cool in the tin for an hour. Pour some syrup all over the top and glaze it on. Remove from the tin and slice it open, and then add some cheese on it and yam the thing. There's 100+ more Caribbean plant-based recipes in our book, Natural Flavour. Check it out.